Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I'm here to share. I'm always trying to play catch up. Last Thursday I did not do Deck the Year, but I am trying to play catch up this week. So I'm going to share week 8 and 9 with you all. So this is week 8. And it's kind of a sweet treat type of altered index card, as you can see here. And these are little shaky shake stickers from the Dollar Tree. And this is I don't know where I got this die cut, but I think it is probably one of my word dies. I can't remember. Then I added some bling and some little bitty pom-pom trim on the bottom. And I just tore, oops, I tore the edge on this one. So this is a small index card. Okay, and then I did this one. It's a bigger index card. And I used some book pages and some of that, I don't know, what do you call it? It's some kind of, I tore it out of a book type of thing. I added this magazine piece, and it has a tag, a stamped tag from my stash. So I made a little pocket. This is pattern paper of different colors in the background. I put this on here that says hello. And then I added this flower with black pearl. Yeah, this is a little different. Now I like it because it's bright and colorful. It's not like my normal vintage. Just like this one is not so much my style, but I do like to do some things that are kind of cute. And then this one's just a little different style, just a lot of layering and, little pocket. My friend Nada inspired me to do this, so I love how we can inspire each other. So those are my 2 cards for hashtag Deck the Year, hosted by Penny over at Penny's Crafty Creation. I'll have her link down below and the hashtag in my title so you can check everybody's wonderful creations. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.